Hello everybody, my name is Stefano Manacero. I'm tutor at Image Fitness Training and will be the main tutor for the next sport massage course coming shortly. Today I'm just gonna introduce you to some basic sport massage techniques. Okay, today I'm gonna demonstrate a quick sport massage or deep tissue massage to release, or it might help to release headaches or migraines. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the upper shoulder area and the neck. And again, I'm gonna apply my oil on the area. Are you comfortable in that position, Adam? Yes? Great. So I'm gonna do some effleurages on the upper shoulder. Again, to warm up trapezius and all the upper back muscles. Then I'm gonna do my finger rolling and thumb rolling bilaterally on the upper trapezius muscle, because trapezius muscle, yes, attached to the shoulder, but also attached to the neck. I'm gonna do some kneading techniques, again, to release tension on the trapezius. And I will do that again on both sides of the neck. And then when I'm ready, I'm just gonna do a little bit of friction, circular friction on the neck muscle themselves without interfering with the cervical spine. So I'm just gonna be on either side of the cervical spine. How does it feel? Okay. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of kneading of the neck. Move into a supine position. This is going to give me a chance to apply some mobility to the neck. And again, I'm going to check for eventual tightness, because neck tightness, neck tension can cause headaches. Okay, so I want to make sure I work on the upper trapezius. Sometimes I have to work maybe on the sternocleidomastoid, depends if it feels like a pain comes from the back of the ears. Sometimes just working on the posterior, on the splenius capitis posterior inferior, will help release headaches. And also I want to do some friction on the base of the occiput, because again, neck tightness might cause tightness on the fascia. Okay, then I'm moving to the temporal. Again, headaches might show on this area of the head. Okay. And a little bit of stretching of the trapezius muscles, sternocleidomastoids, scalenis, etc.